the pumpkin patch in Ocotillo Wells. That should be pretty cool. If you've never seen it or you've never been there or never heard about it, definitely a place you want to check out.
Alright guys, we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch now.
Caesar! Let's go, buddy! How you doing, Carlo?
Doing good?
Yeah.
Made it out here to Shell Reef Expressway, out here at Ocotillo Wells. Sweet mountains. Rode all the way out here on the bike. That was kind of scary. Oh, woo!
How do you feel getting through that terrain?
I don't know, just this finger hurts on me. It's just like, it feels numb. It's asleep.
Good job, buddy.
I just don't press it.
Yeah, you made it the whole way, buddy. How'd you guys do on the trail? Anybody need to go restroom?
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
That road almost took off my shoe.
Dude, I know, it's super bumpy, huh?
Dude, my shoe almost came off.
That's like what the pumpkin patch is filled of, those like big round rocks over there. All right, we're headed to the pumpkin patch. We'll see you guys over there. That and, well, it films you guys, okay?
Is he good? Pumpkin patch? That's where we're going. Oh. Yeah, we're going to pumpkin patch. You want to follow us? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Where's Daddy and Caesar? What the hell? Daddy and Caesar go? Where did they go? I lost my husband. Yeah, here's the one on the green dirt bike. You see that marker? If we get back there, we're gonna keep going to pumpkin patch. Hey, hey, we lost you.
We just continue on the crossover trail.
Crossover trail?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
We are off-roading today, boys. coming, I'm coming. You're good, baby. You're doing good. Doing good. Yeah. Okay, let me go on this side. Good? Yeah. Okay, up ahead. Let's go ahead.
There's a pumpkin patch. Look at that. All the natural blow sand rock formations. Fat pumpkins. I feel like they got bigger since that was last year.
We got desert friends now.
Yeah?
That's the spot.
Caesar saw me fall down and I turned my bike off, I just sat there.
Alright guys, so we just got to the pumpkin patch and these are all the pumpkin rocks. There's so much rocks here. They're ginormous. These are ginormous, bro. Crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Yeah. I'm gonna go back. Oh my god.
Time to go chop some wood for the fire.
Now go.
We gotta dump some of that sand out that blew in there. Hold on.
Look, you guys poured that.
Oh yeah, to put it out. No, that's fine. It's not that much. Yeah, easy.
That's a double pickaxe. Just cut it.
Yeah, I know. I just want to make a lot of little pieces, and then we don't need any more than that.
And we still have some wood for next time.
That's right. There we go. Mac, be careful, okay? Allie,
Yeah, baby.
can you pass me a lighter?
I just cut a piece by myself. Oh,
There we go.
I got a double now.
You're gonna start? Let's see.
Wait.
It is going slow.
I love that.
Starting to grow now.
He is starting to grow now. I have a toe. Now I can get started.
Don't drop anything on top because it's gonna knock the like teepee down. That's helping it start up and burn.
Oh, that's gonna be a great fire. Why is it popping like that?
Because the wood is a little wet, probably.
Me?
Just have a seat, Carl. Hold that chair down.
Oh,
Buddy.
now it's burning.
Okay, okay.
It's probably hot.
Are you gonna eat that one, or you want to put it on my crackers? You want these crackers for you? Okay. Oh,
Carla, put that down. It's all gonna burn up. It doesn't matter. It's okay. You know.
Time to conquer!
What are you doing? You go for a side? Huh? You go for a side? Let's go.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Can you spell dirt bike W? A.
it's not going on, so I gotta move the wheel chocks and let the trailer roll back. Tie these bad boys down.